So we have an upcoming event here at Cardoso Law School involving the upcoming Supreme Court case, Star Athletica versus Varsity Brands, which will give the court an opportunity to discuss and interpret the rules in copyright law for the treatment of functionality. And in a particularly interesting context, that of cheerleading uniforms. Varsity is a producer of cheerleading uniforms, and they've created a series of uniforms that have a fairly standard set of chevrons and stripes and color blocking on the uniforms. And the defendant has produced very similar sets of uniforms. And so the question presented to the court then is how to understand the way in which those stripes and chevrons and color blocking do or do not function for purposes of the garment. The garment itself, the cheerleading uniform itself, is generally thought to be functional and not protectable as a matter of copyright law. But the plaintiff here, Varsity Brands, claims that their two-dimensional shapes on the uniforms are separable from the underlying function and thus independently copyrightable. New York City is a center for fashion design. It's also a center for all aspects of industrial design and production. And so to think about these sorts of cases in New York City with students who live and will work in New York City is a particularly rewarding and exciting opportunity because they will go out into the field and these will be their clients.